Hey guys, Wecon HMI HMI can connect with 4 cameras. Then I want to show you how to make it. First, we need to set the function address to search the camera. Step 1. Open a project setting. Step 2. Click Set and set the max number of searches and the function address. The final step, set the address into the screen. Then, we set the camera display. Step 1. Create a new object and click it to set the function address. Step 2. Open a wiki and set the other address. When we set the address, we need to refill the function address we set before and set the HDW2000 as the username. Then, we create another camera display and set up 2 4 camera connections at the same time. But I just have 2 for the test, so I just set 2. First, we click search camera. Is camera searching now? Then, we set the camera ID we just found before. We link and open it.